Welcome! In front of me I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. So first we need to go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open some kind of application, maybe Maps. Okay. Can I tap on OK or not? It's frozen for some reason. Come on. Let's try to reopen it. Okay, it won't work, so let's open something else. I don't know, maybe weather application. Come on, open. Nothing is working on this watch. Okay, never mind, I'm just gonna open Play Store. This should be working. Okay, and to take a screenshot, you simply press both buttons together, the upper and the lower button. Press them both. You will see this animation on the screen, and it means that the screenshot was taken. And if you go to the menu and then open the gallery, you should see the pictures or albums. You can go to albums, then screenshots, and here we have our screenshot right there. And that's how you take a screenshot or screenshots on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.